Take it easy, Amy.
I just knew that you'd come here to save me!
I'm not calling it quits yet, Sonic. You only had a preview of this robot's firepower. You and your friends are through. I've got you now. Let me take care of Eggman.
Okay.